Hi guys, welcome to another week of online learning. So this is actually going to be our last lesson for our conflict and cooperation unit. So I'm really excited about it. There are two activities for you guys to do. You can see them on It's Learning, but if you hop on over to Google Classroom, it will give you the most details that you need. You guys did such great work with Pearl Harbor last week that we're going to keep learning about Pearl Harbor. The first thing that you guys are going to do is a Pearl Harbor digital breakout. So if you click on the link, so you are going to be answering, there are 7 locks, and then the clues are over here. So what you definitely want to do is open this link in 2 places because I don't want you to lose your work when you go to click on the other links. And so like this one, like this tab, I would keep open and you could type your answers and it'll tell you, like if you do it, you click off of it, it'll tell you that it's not correct. But until you click off, you won't know. So if you keep this tab open to put your answers in, and then this tab is where you toggle around and look at the different locks. So you can see all the information. Now, I am working on finding the answers, but I don't have all the answers yet. So if you get the answers, let me know. Um, and I also recommend jotting down the answers that you do get correct, because if your internet goes out or if you want to finish on a different day, you don't have to start completely over. So just like in class, you don't have to finish all of this. You can set a timer for like an hour um, or work on it for a couple days or whatever you want. But I know some of you guys are really going to want to finish it. So I'm really excited that you guys have this activity. The second activity I'm also really excited about. It is perspective writing. So you're going to choose one of the topics. There are 11 different topics for you to choose from. And you're going to write about what it was like for your character during the attack on Pearl Harbor. So you're going to think about really specific experiences and details that can be added from your character's point of view. So this will be between 3 and 5 paragraphs, and there's a writing checklist. But you will turn it in. There's a file over in the Your Work section that is called the Pearl Harbor Perspective Writing Topic List. And when you click on that, it'll make a copy for you. So you'll choose which one of these you want. I recommend erasing the other one so it gives you a little bit more space. You'll see here are the requirements. So obviously the bulk of this is that you, the clear perspective, you're writing with a clear perspective of the prompt that you were given. So like I should be able to tell exactly which prompt it is based on your writing and not because you tell me, because you are that person. So it's like the description, the descriptive words that you use. Do you have an engaging hook to your story? Do you have a thoughtful takeaway ending? You have a lot of details and transitions, and then mechanics, which is like spelling and grammar. So you'll just go to the second page and you'll type it right there. And then when you're done, oh, apparently that's one word. When you're done, you will click the turn in button. And that is actually it for this week, but I think both of those should take you a couple days on each of them. But I'm really excited to see your work, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, I forgot. There is also some examples of student work because I did this when I taught 5th grade. You guys know I taught 5th grade, like homeroom 5th grade. This was actually a lesson that we did in, I taught a gifted social studies class. So you can read some of the examples. These were some really, really good examples of writing. And so you guys can kind of see what I mean by like a powerful beginning, a powerful ending. Obviously, your work needs to be different than that, but it'll hopefully get your mind going a little bit. All right, enjoy.